Welcome back to the Veti Rider.
Today we are going to explore an offbeat place in Goa. If you guys are new to our channel, then please don't forget to subscribe because we are going to explore too many exciting places around here. Now let's quickly get into the video.
We started from our home and the footbridge is around 40 kilometers from Panjim. Again, you have to have your own bike or car to commute till here. You can rent them at many places. So if you're coming by flight, then Vasco is the spot. By train, then Margaon. If you're coming by bus, then it would be Panjim or Mapsa. It's just 15 kilometers from our home as there is a short route to reach our destination, which as you can see is beautiful and picturesque throughout. On the way, we saw a water stream and took a deviation to spend some time enjoying the location as it was irresistible to ignore it.
Since we are roaming around here during monsoons, there are a lot of water bodies everywhere. So I would suggest please take your time when reaching to your destination because on the way you would find many exciting places like this one. They're super peaceful and too relaxing.
In case you guys want to stop by here, then this place is called Tulshi Mahar, which is in Sankelim. There was another narrow bridge a little further which was also in the list of must stop by place. So we sat here quite some time to enjoy the pure beauty this place offered us. After deciding on not getting distracted by all these natural beauties, we headed towards our destination for the day, which is the Canal Footbridge. This road leads to the Karnataka border and is the same route to the most beautiful dam we had already explored in our previous Goan series, which is the Keri Dam. We highly suggest that you guys should check that out too. Now this turn is almost invisible, which is the way to the footbridge. However, Google Maps directs the way with perfection. The link is in the description.
So make sure we do this right. Cancelled all my plans to.
Finally, we are at one of the most Instagrammed offbeat place of Goa. It's just a 2 minutes walk from the parking.
With me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go.
This is indeed a canal, and this footbridge is used for water conveyance, which is amidst a gorgeous location surrounded by a huge mountain that forms the backdrop of this bridge, which is what makes it unique. We came here twice, once during weekend, and this is how it would be. It's gaining its much deserved attention and fame. And on a weekday, it would be all for yourself.
For me, it seems that you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, cause you're stuck on my mind. My mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. the night into the morning, building candles.
There are many places like this one which are beyond beaches in north of Goa. They are heart-filling and give the happiness and inner peace we all looking for. This place is no doubt a great getaway from the daily routine. Do leave your comments if you would add this place in your bucket list for your next trip to Goa. Let us know if you guys liked this episode and if you would like to see more such videos in the future. We are coming up with some amazing travel stories for you all in the upcoming episode. Until then, you guys take care.